Attorney George Rios says a few of his clients have been detained by ICE, and he's now working to either get them out on bond or at least take them some of their belongings. Just last Friday, Attorney George Rios says his client was picked up by ICE when he showed up for a court hearing in Fresno. He was not eligible to be taken into custody.
He was complying with what the conditions of his conviction were. Not a crime that makes him removable or deportable. He has a process already pending. He's waiting on a final decision on a U visa. He's actually been granted deferred action by USCIS.
Rios says Fresno ICE agents detained him, but his client was then transferred to another holding facility.
The interesting thing about that is I know he's there. I'm supposed to speak to him this week. But he doesn't come up in the ICE detainee locator system.
He says it usually takes a day or two for detainees to be processed into the system. His client, however, has been there for almost a week now, and he can't find a record of it. Rios says that he has good communication with the Fresno ICE office, but doesn't have the same experience with other facilities.
You're sending 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 emails and nobody's ever reaching out to you. You're calling every number you have and nobody is answering. That also tries to send a message to our clients that there's no point in getting an attorney because we're not going to talk to them anyways, and then we're just going to end up deporting you.
He believes immigration agents want to scare his clients into thinking their situation is hopeless. If they show up to court, they could be detained. If they don't show up out of fear, the immigration judge can then order their removal for not appearing, and they then could be picked up at home or even work.
More often than not, having an attorney on your case can make a difference.
Rios suggests bringing an immigration lawyer with you to any legal proceeding. While they can't prevent you from being detained, an attorney can ensure your rights are protected.
They also have rights to due process. There's a procedure that the government needs to be following in order to get to that point.
While he understands the fear, he wants to send a message of encouragement. If you are eligible for citizenship, he says every day people are being granted green cards. Reporting live in studio, I'm Hannah Gonzalez, KC24, local news that matters.